Today we're going to show you how to install a commercial Christmas tree of lights. There's a number of different tree of lights on the market. The one we're showing you today is our preferred design. It's nice and compact, easy to store away in a nice small area. It also goes together easy, comes down easy, and is very robust for years of trouble-free installation. Let's get started, show you how to install it. All right, as you can see, the tree is nice and compact when it's not installed. This is what makes this design an excellent choice. So many of the trees are very bulky, oversized. This one does store away very tight and compact. We're gonna start off placing the base where we want the center of the tree to be. Grab the legs and insert them into the pegs on the base. Place the stabilizing plate. The larger opening goes on the rod side. This will hold the legs in place. Now you're going to secure the bolts. Next, secure the arched L brackets to the base legs. And now we're ready to move on to the center pole. The shorter pole is what we'll start with. That'll be your first pole. Secure this pole with the two securing bolts. Next, insert the connector sleeve and the next pole. At this point, it's best to tip the tree to make it easier to work on the center pole. We're going to continue inserting the sleeves and the poles until we finally get to the tree top piece and attach it to the center pole. Once everything is secure, start adding the light lines to the top piece and then clip them down to the bottom L bracket. Once all the lights are in place, we'll tilt the tree back up. For proper instructions on securing the tree so that it will not tilt over, please consult the installation instruction manual. We're going to daisy chain every other line together, making sure you are daisy chaining into the next line and not the same line. Then plug the remaining males into the wiring harness. Next, loosen the bolts on the side of the base. Tighten the threaded rod on the base. This will raise the pole in the middle and tighten the light strands. After the tree is tight, tighten the bolts on the base and plug the tree in. All right, that's all there is to the commercial Christmas tree of light installation. Very easy install. As you can see, the tree is very robust once it's up and is an excellent design. We highly recommend this particular design. Until next time, keep on lighting.